Welcome back, my goodies. So today your girl gonna make some real Jamaican Rasta-Man punch. Yeah man, this one authentic. So here I have all of my ingredients that I will be using. I'm gonna go over them quickly. I have 4 dates and these are already pitted. I have 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. I have 1/4 cup of green peanut, and I have 1.5 cup of oats. I have 1 ripe banana. I have condensed milk to sweeten. You can use honey. 2 peanut punch, 1 tiger malt. You can use any malta. You can use nutriment, or you can use supplegen, or you can add protein powder. I have some vanilla. I'll be using 1 tablespoon and 1/2 tablespoon of almond essence. So let's get right into preparing this Rasta-Man Jamaican punch. So we're just adding all the ingredients to the blender and we're gonna blend this up. Just use the liquid that you have here to do the blending. No water is needed, but if you want to add some water, go ahead and add like maybe 2 cups of water to this. Alright, goodies, so I'm done blend up the Rasta-Man punch. As you can see, we get like 7 cups. Yeah, rich and nice. Just gonna throw this out now. You want to leave this for like all a day in the fridge and allow it to thicken up, because it's gonna thick up some more than what it is now. Alright, so yeah man, if you like the recipe, thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you have not done so as yet, and remember, leave me a comment. What good, my good friends.